Hey guys, Daps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you very fast how you can delete bulk comment on your WordPress website. I know that from time to time we have all these spam comment and it can be very crazy. So I want to show you a plugin that would help you delete this just with a click of a button. If you come to your WordPress dashboard, you come to plugins, you come to add new, and then you can install and activate this plugin called WP Bulk Delete. This plugin promises to help you delete posts, pages, comments, users, taxonomy terms, and so many other things in your WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, I've already installed this plugin, but yet to activate. And you can see on my blog, I have 347 blog comments that I want to delete immediately, and that's crazy for me to start deleting them one after the other. That would take a lot of time. So let me activate this plugin. All right, great. So our plugin has been activated. This is WP Bulk Delete. So let's come to delete comments. So you can see pending comment, trashed comment, approved comment. We don't want to delete our approved comment. We don't want to delete our trashed comment. We just want to delete our trash comment and also our pending comment. So if I select the two, I can scroll down and then hit delete comment. You can see 354 comments will be deleted. Would you like to proceed further? And then I have to accept, and that's pretty much everything we need to do. 354 comments deleted successfully. But unfortunately, if you still come here, you would see comments here. Sometimes I've noticed that this plugin has glitches like this, or maybe it's even WordPress itself that's not used to a bulk delete such as this. But again, if I go to comment, I can still see that I still have pending comment here, even though WordPress says that it's gone. So you can see that our comments are all gone, and that's it. So if you use this plugin and immediately you still see that you have your comment are not gone, even though the plugin has deleted the comment, just give it some time, give it a while, continue what you're doing. But one simple hack might just be that you go to the comment itself and then find one of the deleted comments, try and manually delete the comment you have already deleted. If you can do that, you realize that immediately the database will reset and you will notice that all your comment sections are deleted. So the plugin still work even though you try to do it and you still see the comment here. Don't let that scare you away or feel that it's not working. It is, because eventually you'll notice that the spam comment would disappear. So thank you very much for watching this video. If this has been very useful for you, give me a thumbs up. Just let me know in the comment section below if you have any challenge. I hope I should be able to help you out. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, have a nice time.